this video tutorial, I'm going to share step by step how I achieved the glass skin finish using some of my favourite cruelty-free skincare and makeup products from Loyal Crush. Glass skin is a Korean beauty term and it means to layer multiple skincare products to create a dewy, luminous and healthy complexion which mimics the look of glass. Now this has become an increasingly popular K-beauty trend and it's here to stay. So I'm going to break down my step-by-step skincare routine and minimal makeup used to create this glowing, healthy glass skin complexion. Step 1 starts with a double cleanse to remove any dirt or impurities from the skin. But it is important to choose a gentle cleanser as you don't want to strip the skin of its natural oils. The Grown Alchemist Hydra Restore Cream Cleanser is a gentle cleanser that removes makeup and cleans the skin without dehydrating or irritating, leaving it looking soothed, purified, and perfectly prepared for moisturizing. The next step is to go in with a gentle exfoliator to buff away any dead skin cells and create a smooth complexion. I love the Dope Skin Co. Antioxidant Cocoa Clay Scrub because it doubles as a scrub and a face mask so it purifies and resurfaces the skin. French pink clay, ground hemp seeds, and coconut flakes gently exfoliate, while hemp extract, hemp seed oil, kakadu plum extract, pomegranate extract, green tea extract, and watermelon extract nourish and renew the skin. A toner or mist is the perfect next step to drench the skin in hydration and prepare it for the oils and moisturizers to follow. I like to go in with a generous spritz of the Fat and the Moon Sage and Rose Face Mist. Rose Geranium Hydrosol is a gentle toner while jojoba oil keeps the skin supple. The next step is to apply a face oil or serum formulated with hydrating ingredients, fatty acids and antioxidants to deeply nourish and plump the skin. The Iavoris Severed Seed Sacred Oil is a must to revitalize your skin. This nutrient-rich face elixir is enriched with essential fatty acids, vitamins and antioxidants that will soothe, nurture, plump and hydrate the skin. A light layer of moisturizer can then be added to the skin to create a radiant and glowing complexion. But just be sure that it is a light moisturizer as you don't want the skin to appear greasy. The Aerie Perez Moringa All Beauty Cream has a light and dreamy texture that moisturizes while promoting radiance. Nutritious ingredients such as moringa, apricot kernel oil, lemon balm, and prickly pear provide powerful antioxidants and create a glowing complexion. Sun protection is a non-negotiable, so be sure to apply sunscreen to protect your skin from the harsh UV rays. Standard Procedures SPF 50+ sunscreen is perfect because it's a non-greasy, fast-absorbing formula. In addition to being 4 hours water resistant, it contains Australian superfruits, antioxidants and vitamins A, B and C to help nourish, moisturize and refresh the skin. Now if you're like me and you have some redness or pigmentation you'd prefer to cover, you can lightly go in with some makeup to enhance the glass skin look. But remember, we want to keep the skin looking natural and dewy, so opt for a skin tint or better yet, use a concealer and mix in a little bit of moisturizer to stretch it out further for a nice natural finish. This will create that your skin but better complexion. My skin tint of choice for a light and natural finish is the Iavoris Skin Tint Serum because it's a makeup and skincare hybrid and it provides coverage while also delivering amazing skincare benefits. For some extra glow, warm up the Aerie Perez Vanilla Highlighter between your fingertips and lightly tap onto the high points of the face. Last but not least, remember, beauty starts from the inside out, so be sure to stay hydrated and drink plenty of water, include healthy fats in your diet, and you'll be on the road to healthy, plump, glowing skin in no time.